To remove the pedal, there are two 3mm screws at the bottom and then another 4mm at the pedal bracket. With this 4mm at the bottom, all you'll want to do is loosen it. To remove the pedal pin, you'll want to use a hex key or a long bit, and you should be able to push the rod directly out. The pedal hanger is held on by 8 screws, and they are all 4mm heads. When installing the pedal bracket onto the wheel, we're going to first put all the screws in place, and then we'll tighten them down all together. Once all 8 screws are in place, we're going to press the pedal hanger towards the battery and tighten it down until it just seats. Once all the screws are seated, now we're going to go through and torque them all down. Now, based on the standard operating procedure, these screws are only to be tightened to 4.5 Newton meters, which is equivalent to having the screw be seated and then just turning an extra 10 to 15 degrees. If you're starting to activate your forearm muscles, it is beyond 4.5 Newton meters already. Next, we're going to install the pedal. So the pedal has these screw holes, and that is for the screws at the bottom here to align. So when you insert the rod, make sure you insert the flat. If you see that there's a flat spot here, the flat spot will be downwards and towards the bottom of the pedal. Once you push the pedal pin all the way till it's flush, you should take your 3mm screw and insert it into that slot. Once those two are tight, you can take your 4mm hex and tighten up the bottom side. Now this screw at the bottom provides tension so that the pedal will not free spin and it will stay upright when closed. So once you finish tightening it, you'll want to play with the tension to see whether it's a setting that you prefer. So here, you can see there's a little bit of tension. I tighten a bit more. A bit more tension and we'll close firmly. There you go.